Hi guys, we're really excited because I just received this barn light for viewing purposes. So let's take everything out of the box. It comes with foam, plastic wraps, and everything, which I think is really nice. This is one of the parts of it. And I think it's really nice because as it is a barn light, you can place it outdoors and it won't get any damage. We have in here the assembly and installation instructions, and it comes with everything that you need to assemble it and install it, all the tools and everything to do the wiring, which I think it's really great. Subset more foam. This kind of like the arm. You can see it's really nice. It has a really beautiful and interesting design that I think is going to do an amazing work. It just has the regular E26 LED bulbs, which I think is going to be really great. And that's everything that comes included. So, well, let's go ahead and assemble it and install it, okay? Come on. Okay guys, the installation and assembly process is actually really simple. It doesn't take that much long and you can do it really quick. Just assemble the dome into the main unit and that's all. It uses a regular E26 light bulbs and this is the 15-inch dome version. You can get it up to 24 inches, which I think that it's great, perfect for outdoors. It's snowproof, waterproof, sunproof and stormproof, which I think it's great. It's gonna do a really nice job wherever you place it. It has a black lacquer coating material and it has a really high quality siding, which I think it's really nice. And they're perfect for wherever you want to place it, indoors, outdoors, however you like it. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed and I think that it looks amazing. It has a really nice material quality, perfect for the outdoors, and I think it looks really nice. I think it's perfect to place it where you want to place it, outdoors, in your backyard, in your barn, as it is. I think it's gonna do a really nice job and obviously look really nice. So overall, I like it a lot and I will really recommend it. See you guys.